Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday shared an article highlighting India's willingness to share its robust digital public infrastructure with countries across the Commonwealth, underscoring New Delhi's vision of technology as a global public good that strengthens democratic institutions. The Prime Minister remark came as India hosts the Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of the Commonwealth for the fourth time at Samvidhan Sadan in New Delhi. The conference is being chaired by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Responding to a post by the Lok Sabha Secretary on X, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, as India hosts the 28th CSPOC, Honorable Lok Sabha Speaker Shri Om Birla underscored that in the spirit of Vasudevam Kutumbakam, the country stands ready to share its digital public infrastructure with the Commonwealth. He writes that India does not see technology as a property asset, but as a public good that strengthens democratic resilience across the globe. Recalling the origin of CSPOC in 1969 and its role in safeguarding parliamentary independence and democratic values, Birla noted that India has long been a pillar of Commonwealth's parliamentary tradition. He highlighted India's Digital Sansad initiative, which goes beyond digitalization towards digital empowerment, including the use of artificial intelligence to make parliamentary process more inclusive and accessible. The GSPOC brings together speakers, presiding officers from across the Commonwealth to deliberate on the interaction of democracy, technology, and governance, reaffirming India's role as both mother of democracy as well as emerging global technology leader. Bureau Report News Now.